রাজ্য কংগ্রেসের বেহাল অবস্থায় জারি রইল। 2018 সালে বিধানসভা নির্বাচনে গোহারা হেরে রাজ্যে সাংগঠনিক ক্ষেত্রে কংগ্রেস দল নিমজ্জিত। রাজ্যে পা রাখলেন কংগ্রেসের দায়িত্বপ্রাপ্ত ত্রিপুরার ইনচার্জ ডক্টর অজয় কুমার। তাকে আগরতলা বিমানবন্দর স্বাগত জানান কংগ্রেস সভাপতি পীযূষ কান্তি বিশ্বাস, প্রাক্তন কংগ্রেস সভাপতি গোপাল রায় ও বীরজিৎ সিনহা সহ অন্যান্য কার্যকর্তারা। জানা যায়, রাজ্য কংগ্রেসের সাংগঠনিক বিষয়ে তিনি বিস্তারিত আলোচনা করবেন। তাছাড়া কংগ্রেস সভাপতি বদল ও অন্যতম বিষয় হতে পারে একটি সূত্রে জানা যায়।
In 2023, we do everything possible to come back to power. People will say that we have become quite weak. But I keep telling you that if BJP could come from 0 to 36, there is no reason why Congress cannot come back to power.
Right.
It is up to us to decide. The other issue is there is only one party in this country which can carry everybody together, especially in the context of Northeast and states like Tripura. The Bharatiya Janata Party and their likes, even I would even say the TMC, definitely the TMC also, they don't believe in inclusion. Different community, different religion, different tribal, non-tribal, caste, everybody together. And that is why you're seeing trouble in Assam and Mizoram border again. That's why you're seeing trouble in Nagaland and Assam border. Because the BJP and the other parties' DNA is to propagate hate and to exclude. Create fight between communities to win elections, between people to fight elections. So I'm sure that the Congress ideology is the right ideology because India is facing a lot of challenge. And I keep giving example, only recently in Nagaland and Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram, only hate is their agenda, and then the present government is a joke. The chief minister and his team, I mean, it's becoming like a absolute gunda raju. People arrest people. There is no, and Tripura is such a beautiful state, peaceful state, good people. उस प्रदेश में, in that state, उस प्रदेश में आपने इस तरह का जो है अनहोनी को, मैं कभी नहीं त्रिपुरा में इस तरह की बातें होती थी, अफसोस की बात है. But I'm sure, my request is to all the people in the party, through you and everybody else, and to all the people of Tripura. The Congress is the only party which can unite India. And we'll fight together. And we will make sure that in the next 1.5 years, before 2023, we'll do everything possible to win your confidence. It's not that we are saying just vote for us. We'll work on the ground hard and we'll try our best.
Sir, you were speaking about unity, but at the same time, two of your president had resigned on that. There is inner fight in Congress, particularly I'm talking about Tripura. How do you?
No, it happens. Look, every party has challenges. I'm not saying it didn't happen. My thing is, this is part of political process, is unfortunate, right? But we must be better in listening to our leaders. We must be better in listening to our workers. We must be better. I mean to say is people like me also. We all must listen to all the karyakarta, all the workers of the party, all the district president, block president, panchayat president, senior leaders. We must listen. That's why I said I'll meet everybody. One-to-one, anybody can meet me. You don't have to have any post. I will meet you till 12 in the night, till the last man goes. But the important part is, we must all remove our differences. If Congress doesn't fight Congress, then we can remove BJP tomorrow. Okay? If Congress across India, if we don't fight each other, we can remove BJP tomorrow. We must stop fighting each other. All differences inside the room. No difference outside the room.
ব্যুরো রিপোর্ট, খবর ত্রিপুরা।